Students, faculty, and school administrators know the value of good video. Hi, I'm George from Epiphan Video, and today I'm going to talk about how our products can help colleges and universities do video better. With Epiphan Pearl hardware encoders, it's easy to produce videos that will impress and engage your school's key audiences. As dedicated hardware appliances, they're also much simpler for administrators to manage. Pearls are built from the ground up for video recording and live streaming. Standard computer hardware solutions are prone to performance issues and require capture cards and audio interfaces to record or stream with high-end gear. Pearl appliances offer the same functionality right out of the box and are far more reliable. With Pearl's multiple video inputs and professional audio, you can connect just about any device. That includes professional video cameras, projectors, document cameras, and computers. No external capture cards or audio interfaces required. Full integration with Kaltura and Panopto lets you streamline your video workflow. You can trigger recordings ad hoc from the built-in touchscreen, or turn Pearl into a hands-off lecture capture solution by scheduling events through your content management system. Of course, reliability is what really counts for any fleet. Pearl systems have an edge here. Pearl's powerful, purpose-built hardware and OS focused on encoding eliminate crashes and other interruptions common with ordinary computer systems. With this dedicated appliance, you never have to worry about unwanted disruptions during live streaming and recording. What makes Pearl systems so reliable? All of the parts inside were chosen or specifically designed for video encoding and tested to ensure they all work well together. Compare this to typical computer systems, where all the components usually come from different manufacturers. And with Pearl's multiple built-in capture cards and audio interfaces, there are far fewer points of failure. One of the other things our customers like most about Pearl is the touchscreen. It allows at-a-glance confidence monitoring, one-touch streaming and recording, and easy camera switching. Kaltura and Panopto users can even log in right from the touchscreen for ad hoc events. Pearl is easy on IT administrators too. With HTTPS, 802.1x, LDAP integration, and certificate management, Pearl will be a secure addition to your campus IT network. Plus, remote management makes monitoring and control a breeze. All Pearl systems share the features we've talked about so far. Depending on your needs, we offer different models. Our most popular model for education is the ultra-portable Pearl Mini, designed for encoding multiple channels at 1080p. Our flagship product, Pearl 2, can encode twice as many HD channels and offers options up to 4K. We also offer rack mount models for permanent installation. Lecture capture, online learning programs, flipped classrooms, and school events. Educational institutions all around the world rely on Epiphan products for these and other applications. Discover the power of Pearl for yourself. Visit epiphan.com to learn more or schedule a demo.